Y'all done found another truck I'm trying to see who I can negotiate with. Hold on, let me turn y'all around. It's 2014, 3500 dually. Short bed, see how the bed's short compared to like the other ones? It got 119,000 miles on it. Okay.
Trying to get it out of the puddle.
No, you good. Got space back there.
What's called in the back?
What, fifth wheel?
Yeah.
I don't know, I just asked him. What'd he say?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
You said you want him to back it up some more?
Yeah, you can. I just asked him that. I had to look back there because it's
Trying to get it out of the puddle. Maybe I'll over here.
I gotta look back there because it's snow in the back. You can't really see. But he told me, what type of work you do? Let me get this damn truck. You like it? I think they want $35,000 for it. They just got it on the lot yesterday. Oh, riding by and I saw this. Hold up. Man, hell yeah. Look. Where the hell he going? All right. Got a couple Yukons and stuff over here too. Suburban. Show y'all this side. It's clean as hell.
Yeah, just getting to know this truck too. So, pretty much in our weekly cycle, we snag things from the Airway Heights auction every Thursday. We come home on Thursday afternoon. Spent today getting to know the new stuff.
You know who delivered this?
We drove it to Airway Heights ourselves, or from.
Oh, okay.
Basically, what we do, we'll load up a Suburban full of detailers, and everybody comes back with something else. And then I asked them immediately how it drove.
Yeah.
So I know I talked to the guy. He said this thing drove smooth, no troubles at all.
Yeah.
I like the looks down here. There's a brand new AGM battery
Over
right
there,
there. So, it's a step up from the old lead acid.
Yeah.
So, those will be really damn durable.
The reason I asked, because I used to work for Corporate Fleet, and we deliver a lot of cars there.
Yeah, when we work the west side, we'll have them come around.
Seattle area.
Yep. On a busy week, they'll work one in Auburn and one in Airway Heights.
Yeah. But do you know where it came from?
I can look at the history report.
Okay.
Let's see what we know about it.
I'm definitely I would want to trade that Tahoe.
Yeah.
Trade it in. I had it for a minute. I want to go and get the truck I need to start the business.
Bill us. So, do good work. Well, I mean, we used to work with Jacobs Auto Glass, and they would come down here with a bunch of people, take individual cars away, and bring them back a few hours later. And you know you came around to look at it as soon as it left at the glass shop.
Mm-hmm.
Now they're just sitting over here. They all get done. We don't have to do anything in the business, so. But anyway. I typically like to hop out on I-90 West over here. It's not a bad way to go. We can exit out the back of the dealership here.
If you like.
Yeah.
And I like how this is a short bed.
Does that help with the towing for the hot shot and all that?
It really don't matter. It's just preference.
Yeah.
If you got a gooseneck, for sure it'll be better. You can jackknife more.
Yeah, we can just head out of here. Yeah, and then just take a left on Girard. And then if I'm just getting to know a vehicle for the first time, just want to make sure the brakes are working, get a feel for how the steering is and all that. But I'm always trying out things for the first time. Should be good. Typically, when we get things off the auction, they are 90-something% ready to go. Just need to be detailed and washed.
It's
Occasionally,
clean, too.
yeah.
It's
Oh,
clean.
I love it when the fact that we didn't do anything this year.
Y'all did?
No, oh no. This rolled in yesterday afternoon. We still got the floor mat on it. Haven't even taken the stickers off. So no, this is exactly how we bought it. So that's a nice thing. Yeah, if we stay in this lane, we'll be on the interstate shortly.
Could you do an appraisal?
I can give you the rough book numbers, and my sales manager, who's just in the other office, can give you the exact number. Basically, I'll give you a couple of book numbers.
On my car, though.
Yep, I can do that. I just need to scan the app, and I can look at the same report. So I can give you a round number and see if we've got an equity, any negative to deal with.
It's always better to pay it off the
Yeah, but let's go this way. I mean, if we were dealing in new vehicles, it's not hard to put several $1,000 of negative equity onto a new vehicle.
Yeah.
We usually aren't. Actually, I'm awful dealing with, 4-figure price tags. It is hard to put a lot of negative equity on there. Now, if you owe 7, it couldn't possibly be that much, and on a vehicle at this price, we should be able to work that in. Especially, hopefully, if we got this thing under book, which we certainly tried to.
Yeah. I'm looking at one of those, black one. But I'm like, I just gotta focus and really get my business going, so I can be able to have toys,
Yeah, well, this is definitely a work truck. We've got tons and tons of life ahead of it.
Yeah.
Well, not to mention
And it's
Laramie
low
trim.
mileage. Yeah.
I mean, you got heated wheel, seat, air conditioning, Alpine.
Gonna get it wheel too.
It's not a bad office to be in.
Nice seats, comfortable, ain't bad. Space back there. And it looked good. The miles low for a 2014.
Mm-hmm.
Usually they be 200, 300 already.
Oh yeah, I hang around with a lot of 200,000 mile trucks.
Yep.
So yeah, you take good care of it, it should drive just like this at 200,000 miles still.
Yeah. That's how I do all my cars too. I maintain them all the time. Maintain everything that's wrong.
Our owner says basically if you keep good fluids in a car, it will last a longer time.
Fix it when it breaks. Don't wait when it's gonna break something else. All right, y'all. So the day has came. Got somebody driving up a few hours away to get the truck. Everybody in town want to play and, Lord, let me do this, let me do that, let me do this. All right. Don't even worry about it. D. The boy getting big, ain't he? Hey, Dior. He don't want nobody to eat when he like eating his food. Yeah, Finny in his food. Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
I'm gonna pull it up because it's cold back here.
Hold on. I need to take my hitch off too. I want to take my plates off, but I know he got to drive a few hours. He gonna drive this back. It's 4 hours away. But I ain't tripping. I got another truck I'm trying to get. I ain't even dropped that video yet. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute though. New tires. I need to put this in there. You can have this. And I got a transfer case that I thought was wrong. I'm gonna just let them have it. I paid like $400 for that. They can have that on me. I need you to get up here. I'm talking to homie. I need you to get up here and get my straps and water bottle. You could have pulled up some more. Never mind, it's good right there. This should be all right. Nah, scoot it up a little bit. Scoot it up a little bit. Just stand right there. She ain't gonna go no fast. Keep going all the way to the... Alright. But I'm about to...
Turn it off.
Yeah, everything back there. No, let it warm up for a minute. I need to take everything out the doors. And I need to get my amp. I was thinking about that last night. My other amp.
Look. You
Yeah,
know what happened?
that's gone. No.
Oh.
You ain't having that. Throw it on the ground right now. Hang on me.
You could let him have the water.
No. Is everything back there? Well, I just got to get this little stuff out, and then
It's the kid stuff. Look.
yeah, legend stuff everywhere, and my stuff for work. Cause this was my work truck for real. But let me help them real quick, and I guess I'll just cut y'all back on when I go meet dude. He want me to meet him at the casino, just I guess so he can be comfortable or whatever. But I understand.
You can get
So that's all good.
what's it called? A broom. Just leave little crumbs out.
No, you can do that. Or you want me to just think I should vacuum it?
No, just get the broom. It can slip out easy.
I think it's something back here. I need to look back here too.
Wires.
I'm gonna cut y'all back on. So I'm gonna get him the transfer case too. I bought it when I thought the transmission was messed up on the 4-wheel drive. And now I don't got no help getting it off of this. So I gotta like put it on this chair, put it on there, and bag the truck up and try to push it up that manhandle or something. I don't know. We're finna see. Finna see how it goes. Now I don't know what I need to do. Oh, let's leak out. It's leaking fluid out. The dude like 45 minutes. I mean, was it 45? Something like that. You're like 45 minutes away. I gotta go meet him at the casino. Like I said, I think he feel more comfortable there, so it is what it is. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay. Turn it this way. Alright. So I'm gonna put it down and I'm gonna put it on this dollar. I just need to turn it so it won't be leaking out no more. I was stuck. Whew. This little thing got some weight on it. As long as I don't hit these toes, we straight. Whew. Come on. Hold on, y'all. As y'all can see, it was a little struggle. I had to act like I was in the gym, but I wasted a little bit. But it's all. What the fuck? I might key it to the top. Oh, that mug come up. I'm tripping. But about to go meet this dude. I don't want to, but I guess I'm gonna let him take my plates. 26. I'm gonna let him take them. Hold on, y'all. But I had bought this when I first got the truck. It was like $300-400, I think, $400-500, something like that. And ended up not needing it, so I tried to sell it. The dude I bought it from, he said he had it on Marketplace for like 4-5 months. I'm the only person hit him up, so I know I ain't gonna sell it separately. So just give it to him. It's another 4-wheel drive. It's like for your 4-wheel drive for the truck. So then the dude hit me up about the other truck I've been trying to get. So I'm gonna go sell this truck and hopefully make a deal on that new truck. It's 2014 Dually. If I didn't tell y'all, hold on. But 2014 Dually. But y'all just stay tuned. I'll catch y'all when I get to the casino.
Got on blues, I said she better pray. Well, I be praying for you too. I'm in a better place. I never told my granny I knew she'd be devastated. Didn't want to let her liver or her high blood pressure take. Get on my knees and tell my daughter, girl, you better make it. Cause who was gonna take care of me if I ain't write a song? I told my baby that I got it and she right or wrong. It wasn't for her, I probably been gave up this microphone. It wasn't for her, I probably been gave up this living shit. This can't be all it is, the life. I want some different shit. I swear it started off so trife, I wanna end like this. I'm finna make Sparkle my wife, cause she as real as me. I go in straight dog with the mic and let my feelings bleed. It's crazy cause when I be right, they play me like I'm silly. I know that Detroit's still around me cause he right here with me. I take a flight, get out of town, and then I'm right back tripping. I told my mama that I love her, that's through all mistakes. I love Michelle.
What's up, man? They got a clean ass Duramax over there. Hold on, Bill. I gotta get my drive off footage. You hating? I'm trying to get one of them too. Sold my truck, y'all. Jenna Bell hating. Appreciate Jenna Bell coming to pick me up, but Kim in the front hating too.
I don't give a fuck.
Huh?
I don't give a fuck.
Why?
Cause I don't.
See, she always be hating too. You see what I'm saying? But it's all good. Now I'm finna go get this Dually truck. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next.